Hello traders, I'm Jim and this is my analysis for the Australian dollar versus United States dollar, in which I'll briefly talk about the fundamental drivers and then discuss my point of view regarding the graphical analysis and the opportunities for the week ahead. If this is your first time here and you would like more videos like this in the future, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now let's check the fundamentals. We have the economic calendar with news regarding on Monday the US dollar, Tuesday for the Australian dollar, balance of trade and interest rate decision, and for the US dollar, balance of trade. So these news right here are important market movers and you should be aware of that. Now let's check an article, mainly this, which talks about the fact that even though the dollar appreciated, the investors are kind of skeptical about the gains of the dollar. However, on the Australian dollar side, we also have an issue in the sense that the Australian dollar also had a chance to appreciate and kind of neglected that opportunity. So it remains to be seen. Now let's check the charts. We'll first look at the monthly and weekly chart just to get the idea, the direction, and then we'll look for opportunities on the daily chart. So on the monthly chart, the first look at the chart gives the idea that the bias is a bullish one because we have this ascending trend with higher lows and so on and so forth, and because we have, for example, the last candles, which are very energetic. Okay, these upward moves are very energetic, 2 candles, and the downwards moves are made up of more candles than the upward moves candles. And we could say that, okay, this is a bullish bias. However, it is not. Why? Because if this is an ascending trend and this is the impulse phase, well, this impulse is kind of not going anywhere, whereas look at the impulses of the downwards move. Okay, so we have clean downwards candles, and here where we should see an appreciation, we have rather a zone like this. So that's why I consider the bias being a bearish one, and this zone here to be a consolidation phase of all this descending move that began around here. Now let's check the weekly chart. If we concentrate on this last peak over here, we can say that this high, it's almost the same as this previous one. Price failed to stay above this 0.8070 level, which is actually the psychological correspondent of 0.81, which is an important level if we take into account the history. And if we look closely, here we have a bearish engulfing pattern. It should be noted that the price is inside an ascending channel, but at least for now it looks like the impulse wave, the bearish bias, remains valid as long as price doesn't get above this 0.81 level and until it reaches this support level here, where I would re-evaluate the situation. That being said, let's check the daily chart to see the actual trading opportunities. I would sell if I would see price retracing to this level, this 0.8 level, and confirming it as a resistance, or if it falsely breaks it upwards and then goes under it and again confirms it as a resistance. For this opportunity, I would sell here and I would book my profit here and wait for the next scenario, which is, so it can happen like this, or it could happen directly without this retracement. But if this retracement happens, it could continue like so, And what I'm expecting is price getting under this 0.79 and confirming it as a resistance, or price getting under this level and consolidating, and only afterwards continuing the descent. I would book my profit first here at this 0.7818 level. Then I would book my profit here around this 0.7750 level. And from here, I would check again and see if the downwards move could continue or no. The only buying opportunity that I see is this one, the one in which price consolidates here and then falsely breaks the level and gets then again above it and confirms it as a support. Only then I would buy with a target here just under the psychological level 0.8. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I made another video about the euro versus United States dollar. Remember to like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you want to get more videos like this in the future, and comment to let me know what you think and what you like to see in future videos. Take care and trade well.